Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you 5 interesting facts about our Mother Earth, which you might did not know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 10 interesting things about Earth. 6. The gravitational pull of Earth varies. Earth's gravitational field would be uniform if it were a perfect sphere. However, in reality, the surface of the globe is uneven, and factors like as water flow, ice drift, and the movement of tectonic plates beneath the crust of the Earth all affect the pull of gravity. Gravity anomalies are the name given to these differences. A positive gravity anomaly is created by mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas, where gravity is stronger than it would be on a featureless, perfectly smooth globe. Negative gravity anomalies, on the other hand, result from the presence of ocean trenches or dips in the land brought on by glaciers thousands of years ago. 7. Sea levels used to be quite different in the past. On Earth, the most recent ice advance started some 70,000 years ago, terminated 11,500 years ago, and reached its maximum extent 18,000 years ago. The Great Lakes basins were carved out by glaciers and ice sheets at this time, and rivers were blocked and diverted, changing the paths of the Mississippi and other American rivers. The amount of water that was frozen into ice caused sea levels to plummet by as much as 120 meters, 390 feet, revealing some of the present-day ocean floor. 8. Our sun eats everything in its path. Like our sun, all stars deteriorate and pass away in time. The sun will eventually collapse under the force of gravity when it runs out of hydrogen, expanding into a red giant that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more brilliant and vaporizing Earth in the process. It won't happen for approximately 5 billion years, so don't worry. 9. There are more companions to Earth besides the Moon. Although they are not exactly moons, 2 moon entities that orbit close to Earth are occasionally referred to be moons. Asteroid 3753 Pruthne, discovered in 1986, really revolves around the Sun. Pruthne appears to be following Earth because it orbits the Sun in the same length of time as Earth does. When viewed from Earth, its orbit looks to be shaped like a beam. Asteroid 2002 AA29 likewise revolves around the Sun in a year, but it takes a stranger horseshoe-shaped route that comes it within 5.9 million miles, 3.7 million kilometers, of Earth every 95 years. 10. The calm before the storm. The calm before the storm does in fact exist in the correct circumstances. It is not merely an urban legend. A low-pressure area is left in the wake of a storm as it sucks warm, wet air, its fuel, from the surrounding environment. Strong drafts compel part of the air to rise as it is swept up into the storm cloud. The highest storm clouds, which may reach heights of up to 16 kilometers, 10 miles, are removed of their hot air by these updrafts, which then push it out over their edges. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.